HACCP Food Safety Level 4 Course. Course Objectives. This qualification is aimed at learners who are working at a management level in a food manufacturing, catering business, quality assurance staff, or members of the HACCP team. It would also be useful for trainers, auditors, enforcers, and other food safety professionals. It gives learners the skills to assist in the implementation of a HACCP system, to critically evaluate HACCP plans and to understand the importance of having an effective HACCP system in place. Who should attend? The course is aimed for those who are HACCP team members within manufacturing, processing, catering and retail food organizations, managers, supervisors in food industry, consultants, inspectors, or auditors in food premises, manage food safety management system based on HACCP, aiming to develop their career in food quality and safety. The total qualification time for this qualification is 40 hours. This course include understanding the importance of codex-based HACCP food safety management procedures, how to manage, develop, and evaluate them. This qualification is assessed by a written examination. For detailed information, call us on +92331 599 9937 +92321 505 6755 or WhatsApp +92331 599 9937.